Good evening all, this is Venkana. Today I will give you a smarter approach for UPSC Public Administration Optional to get more than 350 marks. And getting 350 marks in case of theoretical subjects, right, it is very tough because the answer actually has to be impressive and examiner should feel that actually he has to give the marks, right? Then only it is easy to get more than 350 marks, right? And what are all the things actually that we need to be considering in case of answer correction, right? Very important part is UPSC actually has to correct many number of answer sheets for each of the optional. Now obviously the humans will be correcting it and everybody actually has to read the entire answer sheet and then actually give the marks. But do you think it is very easy to correct an answer sheet? Because answer sheet actually it is a handwritten answer. The handwritten answer, understanding the handwriting is very important. Not all the people actually write with a legible handwriting. It is eye irritating when you read certain answer sheets because it is written in such a manner that actually nobody can understand, right? Such kind of problems actually will irritate the examiner. Now in that case, they don't leave actually just a few marks or they don't leave 0 marks, but still actually they have to correct it. That is the problem that is associated. Now what they follow mostly. So as a human, right, almost everybody thinks exactly in the similar lines. What they do is actually they see some of the very important keywords and important statements in the entire answer sheet. If they find some keywords and if they find some important statements and quotations like that, then actually the examiner feel that actually he knows the answer, and depending upon the structure and depending upon the length of the answer and based on certain rubrics actually they give the marks, right? That means the answers actually, the keywords and the quotations and structure, all these things are actually very important to understand, right? Now suppose if you wanted to meet the expectations of the examiner, what you need to do? You have to follow or actually you have to practice before actually you are attempting the examination, right? Even if you read 3 years or 4 years, just actually reading the textbooks will not give you any score. You have to have a way of writing your answer in a properly structured way and exactly in the format what UPSC expects, and that needs a lot of practice. That means reading won't give you the score, but you have to prepare for the fundamental concept that is anyway there. The fundamental concept actually, if you prepare, you know what to write. But actually, when you write the real examination, that time only you will get to know, right? That's why answer writing is very important. Not just answer writing, the correcting the answers exactly as per the UPSC needs and exactly in the tone of you also is important, because you have actually given certain examples. You are well versed with those kind of examples, right? So you are comfortable in writing that examples. So if you are able to get the feedback as per your answer, then that will be very much useful for you, right, to score more. And also it tests the time, because in UPSC presenting many answers, almost like actually 22 questions actually you have to be presenting it. So 22 questions each, somewhere around 8 minutes you will get for writing each and every individual answer, right? So now if you plan the time properly and within the time, right, if you are able to exactly write as per the UPSC expectations, then actually you will be able to score very good, right? Now keeping that in mind, the preparation time is very important for us. Why? Because the preparation time, suppose actually if you are able to smartly identify certain areas of the syllabus which are repeatedly asked questions by UPSC, and that areas if you prepare well and if you practice more, your preparation time will be reduced. At the same time, your score will be improved as you are practicing more and more number of questions in that particular area. So the smarter approach is just spend 6 months of time. If you are a fresher, just 6 months of time just to understand the fundamental concepts and just to understand what is the syllabus and understand what are all the different textbooks that you need to be studying, and actually try study and prepare all those textbooks within 6 months of the time. Don't spend too much of time on reading. So once you understand the basic level, so if you are at a medium level of the understanding of the subject, then immediately you start practicing more and more number of questions. If you are able to smartly identify, let us say 700 or 800 questions, And those 700 and 800 questions, if you are able to answer it and get it corrected, and then actually improved answer, actually if you present it again, then that will be very, very scoring aspect of UPSC, obviously, right? So that is very important. Got it? So that's why actually I have given actually the solution for both of these problems. One is actually identify the niche areas of UPSC syllabus of public administration. Now here actually I have plotted actually so from 2014 to 2025, that is 12 years of data I have plotted, and this actually average if I take it, and in that there are certain topics which are getting very good weightage, there are certain topics which are not getting good weightage. Now in that actually I have divided the entire syllabus into 12 different topics, and that 12 different topics, one particular topic, that is development administration, is getting 131 marks for the first 12 years average, right? 131 marks. Now if you want, actually you can just actually go to one particular year and then I will still plot the graph. See this, actually I have just plotted 2025 data. Now even 2025 data also, it shows that development administration is getting 140 marks, right? So this shows that consistently almost every year we are getting very good score in development administration. Obviously you have to be focusing more, and you take actually another topic, and the next highest is coming out to be 100 marks, and that 100 marks is governance, innovations, e-governance and law and order. So this is the area where we have got 100 marks. These are the two different topics which are getting more than 100 marks, and remaining topics, certain topics, actually one topic got 90 marks, another topic got 85 marks, another topic got 80 marks, and one topic actually is hardly getting 20 marks, that is accountability and control. So that is hardly getting 20 marks, right? So if you focus more on that accountability and control, obviously you will end up with no score because the weightage is very, very small, right? So that way actually you just identify that portions so that actually you can easily prepare well, but not just that particular topic. It is only the topic level of details, but actually I have given even the subtopic level of details as well. Suppose you take this development administration alone. So development administration, so this topic, if I select it, and here actually I have plotted the areas where exactly the questions are coming, and these questions are actually coming out to be, and so total 4 different subtopics I have divided, and that is the administrative techniques, impact of liberalization, and planning and mobilization, and rural and urban development. Now in that, this is actually only 2025 data. Maybe actually I'll take the average of everything. So that is first 12 years average I take it, development administration I take it, and in that, so see this, administrative techniques is getting more weightage, that is 57.92 marks alone from administrative techniques, and planning and mobilization is coming out to be 48.3 marks, and this is actually for the first 12 years data. Now the other topics, that is the impact of liberalization, rural and urban development, and these portions actually are getting very less score. That means when you wanted to plan your preparation, you focus more on these two areas, and I have given what exactly is the syllabus that is coming under that subtopic. That is, suppose you take administrative techniques, in that actually this is the syllabus which is declared by UPSC under this particular portion, the techniques of administration, administrative improvement, and O&M and MIS, e-governance and network analysis. So this is the thing actually which is part of this administrative technique. And planning and mobilization, so in that actually development administration, planning, mobilization, social justice. So this is the syllabus actually that is part of this particular subtopic. Like this, if you are able to smartly identify the areas, you can spend more time on that particular areas, and then you can get very good scoring in the final examinations, right? So like this actually you can go to each and every topic, and then actually, so you behavioral organization you take it, and like this actually in that organizational behavior, public administration structure, so all these things are getting more and more weightage. Here actually I have given both the bar chart and the pie chart, and that actually you can make use of that, and you can just identify the niche areas of the syllabus, focus more on it, and then actually you will be able to score well. And along with that, what I have given is, I have actually prepared a set of 1500 questions for public administration, which are unique. All the questions are unique in nature, and these questions, right, exactly at the standard of UPSC, and based on the way, so based on the topic and subtopic, I have classified it, and based on that actually we have prepared a set of test series which is covering 26 tests, and that 26 tests will cover somewhere around 700 questions. And these 700 questions, if you are able to practice, then I am sure you don't need to look for any other textbook, you don't need to look for any other material as well, right? So the basic level understanding plus this 700 questions practice is far more good enough to score very high, or at least 350 in case of UPSC, right? So why actually this 700 questions? These are actually unique in nature, and every question actually, so I am giving the list of questions. And another thing is actually each and every question I will provide a model answer, and each and every question you have to attempt first, and we will correct it, improve it, and then actually we will just give the appropriate answer, not just the model answer. In your tone and style actually we will give an answer, whatever you have written and how it should have been written. Kind of answer we will give, along with that model answer also we will provide it. And also actually, so based on your preparation strategy, based on your availability, what you can do, you can plan. See this, so this is public administration test plan. So this plan actually you can have your own plan. You just click here and put the date, and based on the dates whatever you have selected, and automatically at morning 9 o'clock you will get the test. And that test actually, don't treat that as a test. It is a preparation, practice and test. Why? Because you will be answering the first time, and then actually you will get very less score. You may not be answer many questions. Even one question also actually you just answer it, and then it will send it to us. We will correct and give it. Then actually you will get the confidence, and at least actually one answer you will be writing it. In the next test actually you will be improving more. Now it will 2-3 questions you will start writing it, and again actually in the next test actually you will be writing more than 3 questions. Like that consistently, if you write the test, maybe 5-6 tests if you write it, then actually you get the confidence first. That is very, very important. Many people are afraid of writing the test just because of the reason that actually, what if you get lesser score? You lose the confidence? Not really, right? So if you get the lesser score, then actually at least you know what needs to be improved, and at least you will get the confidence how far you are able to achieve UPSC, right? And what are all the improvement areas that you will identify quickly, and then actually you will improve it. But if you keep on postponing again and again, then actually the time will get over. Obviously examination dates, they don't change it. You have to reach that date. So that's why actually as early as possible, if you are able to identify your improvement areas, that is very, very important for us. Then actually you can plan for the improvement. What needs to be done first you need to understand. Then how, that is a different question. Got it? So that's actually start writing upfront. Spend only 6 months time in the entire preparation of your life, and only 6 months for the optional subject, and that is to understand the basic level and try to practice as many number of questions as possible. That set of 1500 questions will give you the full score. Got it? So this way actually you start writing the test. So you can go to our website, and there actually some people actually, if you don't join our test series, that is fine. You just actually go to our website, and then actually you go to public administration optional here, and in that actually I have given the graphs at the bottom. Those people actually whoever is visiting this website, they can see that which topic has got weightage, and what is the subtopic actually which is getting higher weightage. All that kind of details actually I have given. And here actually I have given a default test plan also, and this test plan you can customize at your own convenience as and when you wanted to write, as and when actually you are prepared for one particular test. That test only you can attempt it, and there is no need of following this test or any test. Anytime you can submit. Got it? So this actually you can make use of this opportunity, and we have a set of 1500 questions database. From that database actually, which is classified into topic, subtopic, minor level details actually we have given, and that way actually you are able to improve the portion where you are weak. Got it? So that's all for today. Yeah, thank you.